Happy Salvage Saturday, guys. So for today, I have two really easy DIYs for you. First is this frame that I've had for quite some time, and whatever was in it, I don't know, it came off or it broke or something. So I was gonna throw it away or take it to Goodwill, but I decided to keep it, and then now I'm gonna use it. The smaller piece is a trivet that I had for my kitchen, and I haven't used it in a while either. So I figured, why not make it into something else? So I'm going to start off by taking out all the nails that were in it, and that the nails held the cardboard piece, the backing in, but I'm just going to glue it in. So I just took all the nails out, got a wipe and cleaned it off, and it worked out perfectly. It looks brand new once I did all that, so I decided not to paint it. Then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to glue this scrapbook paper onto the cardboard backing, and you can't really see the color too well, but the scrapbook paper is like a really light green and a really light red with white stripes. So it kind of looks like candy cane or something very Christmassy. So that's why I picked it out. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that on there. And once I am done putting that on there, I'm going to hot glue this piece of cardboard to the backing or to the frame. So today's challenge is actually a collaboration that I came up with called Salvage Saturday. And this is the first one, and my co-host is Zaina over at OK at Home DIY. And this is her first time co-hosting with me, and I'm so glad that she agreed to. Um, so definitely go check out her channel. She has some great DIYs, some awesome content. So definitely go check her out. Let her know that I sent you. I'll also be including the playlist in the description box along with her channel and all her information. So go make sure you check that playlist out. Check out everyone who submitted a video. I'm sure you're going to have lots of inspiration coming from that. And if you're coming over from the playlist, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my regular subscribers, thanks for sticking around with my crazy little family here. um, I really do appreciate you. So, and also please be sure to subscribe and like this video. And like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you're coming over from the playlist, or just let me know which one you like the best. So I've had these little ribbons from the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye Playground, whatever you want to call it. And it was just a little jar, and it had like these little ribbons in it. And I thought they looked like the little pieces from that, the little frosting parts from a gingerbread man. So I dug them up and I decided to use it and just cut the pieces to the length that I needed. And I just hot glued them on there. I would have Mod Podged them, but I wanted them to dry quicker. So I just went ahead and put a little dab of hot glue along the bottom of it, or the back of it, however you want to call it, and I put the little squigglies on the gingerbread man. Now I'm looking through my little stash of buttons and beads that I have here, and I was just trying to find three that kind of looked alike. I couldn't find three exactly the same, but I did find three that looked pretty similar. So I just went ahead and got those three, and I hot glued them right down the middle. And once I was done doing that, I just took a white paint pen and I drew the face on the gingerbread man. And I was going to use like little googly eyes and stuff like that, but I decided to just go ahead and draw it on there to make it look just a little bit more, I guess, authentic. And it looked, like frosting. I could have used some caulk or maybe glitter glue or anything like that, but I just went ahead and used my paint marker. So, yeah, I just all I drew was eyes and a smiley face. I didn't do anything, spectacular, nothing special. And then once I was done doing that, I went ahead and hot glued him on to the frame. And that was it, guys. That was how easy this one was. And I took a piece that, like I said, I was gonna donate to Goodwill because I didn't have anything to do with it. I really want, I wasn't going to use it for anything. And then I figured, you know what, I'm doing a gingerbread theme in my kitchen, so this would be a cute little addition. I haven't decorated yet, so unfortunately, I can't really show you what it looks like with my decor, But I will be decorating soon, so hopefully you guys will be able to see kind of everything that I come up with. And I smudged his face a little bit when I did that. I don't know why I even touched his face, but I kind of fixed it up a little bit. And I may just take like a little wet wipe a little bit later. Once it's dry, it should be a little bit easier to clean up just because it's foam. And if not, it doesn't look bad. You can't really tell once it's hung up. So my next DIY is with this trivet. I am going to start by painting the wood part of the trivet with my gingerbread colored paint. This is my DIY paint. I've been using it for the last few DIYs because, like I said, I'm doing a gingerbread theme, or at least I'm hoping to do the gingerbread theme in my kitchen. So I've been using it and I just keep making batch after batch, and the color is, I mean, it's so close to like that gingerbread man that was in my first DIY. I mean, it's amazing. And so I just went ahead, gave it one coat, or not one coat. It took about 3 coats of the paint. The wood was just soaking it up. So now I'm just going to use these window clings, and then that way I can use it for other seasons if I want to. I just wanted to pick out, a window clean that I like the best. So I just went ahead and tried out a few different ones to see which one I like the best. And that was it. And like I said, then you can switch it out. Even if you want to switch it out throughout Christmas and put different stuff on there, you can. But I, picked the last one that I picked and I really liked it. So, guys, be sure to check out the playlist. Like I said, check Zaina's channel, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and comment down below. I know I've said all this already, but yeah, I really appreciate it, and um, I thought these came out so cute. I'm just trying to figure out which which one I want to use here. And guys, be sure to stay tuned. I do have a giveaway coming soon. I wanted to do the 500 subscriber giveaway right when I hit 500, but then I hit 500 and went down to like 498, and I kind of kept going back and forth. So I figured I would wait just a little while longer until I was steady at 500, and I am there now, guys. I'm actually almost at 600. So thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos and commenting and whatnot. So, guys, that is it. I think it came out so cute, and here they are on my wall in my kitchen. And until the next time, guys, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.